Welcome to another Simple Dad Instagram tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to reply with a GIF on an Instagram post. So if you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So this is a new feature on Instagram where they've just rolled out where you can now reply with a GIF. So let me show you how to do this. So before you begin, you want to first update your Instagram app to the latest version. So go to your App Store and update your Instagram app. Once that is updated, go ahead and open the app. Now from here, you want to go ahead and scroll to the post where you want to reply with a GIF. So for example here, to reply to a GIF, you want to go ahead and tap on this chat icon here, just below the post. This will open up the add comment section. Now to reply to a GIF. Now to reply with a GIF, if you look to the right hand side, you'll see the word GIF. So go ahead and tap on it. Once you do this, this will now let you search for a GIF. Now go ahead and search for it. And now you'll see all the GIFs in your search results. Go ahead and tap on the one that you want to use. And now that has been posted to the Instagram post. As you can see, if I scroll up, you'll see that post which I've just replied with the GIF. And there you go guys, that is how to reply with a GIF on an Instagram post. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.